Hi sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. Welcome if you're new. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. I post new videos every day, twice a day. Also like the video if you like it. It helps me a lot. Helps the channel grow. Helps YouTube send my video to more people. So please like the video. And today is another first time ever reacting. This video is called Rain to Be music video and it's by Onewe. I have heard of Onewe before, but I don't know anything about them. I don't think I've ever heard any of their songs. And apparently they are a band also, like in Flying, that I reacted to a few days ago. I'll leave here in the cards if you guys want to watch it. Let's go. I'm totally here for it. I love bands. Okay, record. Let's go. I am excited. So they are five. Yeah, I think, because I think there's one on the drums back then. Okay, let's go. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. I love bands. Okay, play. Oh, I love the blue hair. Yes, I love the guitar. Oh, I think I've seen him before. The one. Oh, that voice. That voice. What is that voice? Oh my god. Okay, my eyes are watering. I don't know. Excitement, maybe. That, okay, we're talking. What is that voice? Okay, I'm shook. I am shook. What is that voice? The high difference is so cute. I love the guitar. Yeah, I think I've seen that guy before. Wow, that voice. So deep. Him, I think I've seen him before. I don't think that, I think that's dangerous. Ooh. Yes, I love it! Wow, this guy's voice. Wow, he's so beautiful. Okay, I loved it. That is dangerous. Ooh, but it's hot. Ooh, apparently all of them sing. Okay. I think I've seen him before. He's so cute. I feel so attacked. Oh my god. This man, his voice and his eyes, like, I feel like he's staring into my soul. Wow, that sounds so good. But that water is freaking me out. Ugh. So much water. No. Wow, okay. A rapper. Okay, the cute guy is a rapper also. That's a lot of water. That's freaking me out. No. Oh my god. Ah, his voice. Yes! I'm so excited. Oh, that's too much water. Okay. Give the drummer some attention. I have not seen his face yet. Yes, I'm not complaining. You are. I mean, I am complaining because I want to see him too, but whatever. Oh my god, the water just keeps. That is freaking me out. Okay. I cannot even pay attention to the song anymore. The water is just freaking me out right now. Oh my god, okay. Okay. wow, they are that song was amazing. That man's voice, okay, it makes the water makes sense. The song is literally called Rain to Be, but whatever. That water freaked me out, but this song is amazing. That man's voice is something else. Please guys, if you are fans of them, leave everything in the comments. Who is that man? His voice, I want to know his name, I want to know his age, because they don't look that young, but I mean, you never know. That man's voice, I don't know what to say. I'm adding this song to my playlist. Oh my god, that song was so good. Okay, are they a band, or they just did this for this? They just played for this song. I think they are a band, but I'm not sure because I don't know them. I've never heard them. I mean, I've heard of them, but I've never heard like they are a band. They were a band. Like for End Flying, I knew they were a band. Then I didn't know they were a band. That makes sense? I don't know, whatever. I loved it. I love them. Okay, recommend more songs in the comments and videos, guides. If you want to watch that, please just leave everything in the comments. Oh my god, I just keep falling in love with groups and bands, and okay, it's too much. Okay, that was it. I loved it. I loved it. That song was amazing. That man's voice, oh my god. Okay, stop talking about his voice. I mean, I cannot. His voice is amazing. Yes, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications, and also like the video if you like it. It helps me a lot. And yeah, that was it. If you guys have any recommendations, suggestions, leave them in the comments, or feel free to send me on Twitter if you want to. My Twitter is on the description. Yeah, that was it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.